What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I put my box braids in this bun. You'll only need an elastic headband for this. You won't need to use any bobby pins, no clips, anything like that. This hairstyle, it's very secure, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that just by tucking. It takes the stress out of your hair when you don't use bobby pins, so I prefer not to use them. So if you'd like to see how I got this bun, please stay tuned. So first you're going to start with all of your hair out like this, and then you're going to take an elastic headband. I got this one from the dollar store. It's just a big headband. That's what I'm going to use because they're a little bigger than regular hair ties and they'll hold your hair more securely. So now you're just going to take all of your hair and bring it to the front. This is going to be the base of where we're going to tie our hair up. You're just going to make sure everything is smooth from the front to the back. Straighten out any braids, just make sure every braid is going the same direction. Now you're going to take that headband and tie it around your braid. I wrap mine around 3 times just so it can be secure, but make sure you take your time on this part because if you're loose and flimsy with it, then you can make your braids mess up and look not as neat. Now your hair should look something like this in like a very high ponytail. Now what I'm doing is just pulling any hairs that may have gotten a little flimsy just to smooth out the bun. Now you're going to split this ponytail into 2s like this, and you're going to take the first section and I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist on the top, and then I'm just going to wrap that section around the elastic headband. Now this part could be left to preference. The smaller you want your bun, the tighter you're going to pull it, and if you want your bun to be a little bit bigger with more volume, you could be a little loose at this point. Now I'm just going to take this little section that's left and I'm going to tuck it inside of the top where I wrap the hair around the elastic band. This is what's going to prevent you from needing any kind of bobby pins or clips, and it's going to make the bun stay secure. Now you're going to take the second part of the ponytail and you're going to wrap it the same way but in the opposite direction. So you're going to wrap it in the opposite direction, and then same thing, whatever's left, you're going to tuck that in the top of the bun to make it stay secure. Now I'm just going to take some edge control and lay down my edges. And this is a finished look. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And I will see you guys in the next video.